Namaskar, friends. Good afternoon and welcome back. Friends, in today's live session, again, we are going to cover a lot of requirements and there are client interviews scheduled back to back in the coming weeks. So, friends, I request all of you all to please stay tuned till the end of this session and take note of all the client interview dates and the venues so that you all do not miss out on anything. We have back-to-back interviews in the coming weeks for various clients and for various requirements. So, friends, please stay tuned. As I said, do not leave this session in the middle. Please stay tuned. Stay in the session till the end. And today I have with me our General Manager, Mr. Lalit Maurya, who, along with me, we will take you through this presentation today. But before I start my set of requirements, let me quickly take you through Seagull's success story. Friends, Seagull has been in the market since the past 39 years and has been the biggest workforce provider. Seagull is approved by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, and operates through its head office in Mumbai and through its branches across India. And internationally too, Seagull is located in the UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and in India, Seagull is in Kochi, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, and in Kolkata. Well, friends, this is our this is the QR code to join our Facebook page. Please follow us on Facebook, like us. The moment you scan on this QR code, friends, it will take you to the Facebook page where you have to hit the like button. Can we have the Facebook page, please? Yes, for friends, for all of those who are not aware, if once you click on this QR code, it will take you to our Facebook page where you have to hit on the like button. Once you hit on the like button, you are subscribed and you will continuously keep on getting updates from us on the various requirements on your Facebook page. So that's how you have to do that. Scan the QR code and hit the like button. Again, this is our Telegram channel. You can follow us on Telegram for various job alerts and updates from time to time. Again, this is the QR code to follow us on Instagram. Friends, this is the QR code to join our Seagull Staffing Solutions group. Basically, Seagull Staffing Solutions is a division of our company, Seagull International, which deals or which caters to the domestic requirement, which means jobs for the domestic companies. That's what this company does. It helps Indian companies to hire people, which means if you want a job in India, then Seagull Staffing Solutions is the company that will help you to do that. So once you scan this QR code, it will take you to the Seagull Staffing Solutions Facebook page where you can see all the requirements of for Indian companies that we have. Okay, friends. So let's start with the requirements. Okay, friends, I will have to go a little fast because there are a lot of requirements that I have to cover, and we would probably run short of time. So I will go a little fast. So please take a note of all the client interview dates and the venues very, very carefully. Friends, this is a requirement for Saudi Arabia for a company based in Jubail. It's a free requirement. Again, a long-term one. The client interview for this is on 22nd of July at Mumbai. The requirements are mentioned: HSC designer, piping designer, telecom designer, instrument designer, electrical designer, civil and structural designer, yes, mechanical rotary design engineers, HSC design engineers, piping design engineers, telecom design engineers, process design engineers, civil and structural design engineers, and mechanical static design engineers. Friends, the candidates should have relevant experience in engineering company with oil and gas expertise. Again, attractive salary plus various other benefits would be provided by the company. The email ID is mentioned on your screen where you have to send your CVs to. It's a free requirement. The client interview is scheduled for the 22nd of July at Mumbai. The venue would be informed in the due course of time. So at the moment, the interview is scheduled for 22nd of July at Mumbai for Saudi Arabia. Again, for the same client, the same set of requirements, but the client interview for this is on the 20th and the 21st of July at Chennai. So 22nd was Mumbai, 20th and 21st will be at Chennai for the same requirements for Saudi Arabia for a company which is based in Jubail. All candidates should have relevant experience of working with oil and gas projects. Again, attractive salary, client interview on the 20th and 21st of July at Chennai. Well, friends, this is for a short-term project in Saudi Arabia, but for a leading Korean company. The client interview would be is scheduled for the 14th of July at Baroda, at Anuptech in Baroda. The address is mentioned. Please take a note of the client interview date and the address properly, friends. And what they require lead man pipe fabricators, piping supervisors, piping foremen, TIG and arc welders. Okay, CS and SS. Again, CS and full TIG in SS. Coating crew supervisors, spray painters and sandblasters. Yes, friends, experience of working in oil and gas projects is mandatory here. Again, salary will be very attractive with overtime. It's a short-term project and could also some of the positions are also for long term. Again, the client interview is scheduled for the 14th of July, which is tomorrow at Baroda. So friends, if you all are in Gujarat, please visit our office today and get your CV shortlisted and collect your token for the interviews. Friends, this is for the same company. Again, the same positions, but here the client interview is scheduled for the 16th of July at Kolkata. Again, the address is mentioned on your screen. So friends, please take a note of the date and the venue. This one is on the 16th of July. The earlier one was for Baroda. This is for Calcutta. Again, the same set of requirements: lead man pipe fabricators, pipe supervisors, piping foremen, TIG and arc welders, coating crew supervisors, spray painters, sandblasters. Yes, friends, very, very mandatory experience of candidates working in oil and gas projects. Salary would be very attractive with overtime and free food and accommodation. The shortlisting is going on, friends, at our office in Kolkata. So please visit our office there and get your CVs shortlisted and collect your interview tokens for the 16th of July for Kolkata. Friends, this is for a glass manufacturing company based in the UAE. They need warehouse supervisors, they need planning engineers, production experience, they need supervisors, fabricators, yes, door and window fabricators, aluminum fabricators, assembly operators. Yes, candidates, candidates having relevant experience in manufacturing industry would be welcomed or would be preferred here. Yes, and if the candidate is experienced of working with glass manufacturing, all the more better. The walk-in interview is going on at our offices and at our head office and branch offices. Salary, yes, plus overtime. This is for an international glass manufacturing company based in the UAE. Friends, as you can see, this is for Dubai Data World. This they need a plater foreman on a long-term basis. This is an immediate requirement that they have. It's a free requirement. The job description is mentioned on your screen. It's a long-term project. Yes, candidates with marine experience only would be entertained. So, friends, yes, the job description mentioned on your screen. Plater foreman for Dubai Dry Dock World. Please send it. You can send your CVs to the given email IDs in Mumbai, in Chennai, in Kochi, Kolkata, Vizag, and in Baroda. Friends, again, a requirement for Qatar for an oil and gas offshore project. They need deputy manager planning, they need safety officers, they need painting and installation superintendents. Again, friends, this company requires candidates with Gulf country experience only in offshore projects. No, friends, onshore project requirements or on-site project requirements. Candidates with on-site project experience would not be entertained. Only offshore project experienced candidates would be entertained here. So, friends, if you all are experienced in offshore projects, only please apply to the given email ID, and once your profile is shortlisted by our technical team, we will get back to you. Well, friends, this is for Oman. Again, a long-term project. They need a query and plant manager. Okay. Query and plant manager with a degree or diploma with overseas experience in all kinds of crusher plants, screening plants, okay, carrying activities in the company. So it's a bit of a niche requirement, friends, but yes, plus candidates only with overseas experience would be entertained. Again, a niche requirement for Oman. Yes, salary would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. So, friends, you can send your CVs to the given email ID. For Saudi Arabia, again, the Wakala is ready for this company because they need on an urgent basis. They need material engineers, they need scaffolding engineers, and they need storekeepers. Friends, again, only Gulf country returners are required here. So, friends, if you do not have any Gulf country experience, please do not apply because this company requires only candidates with Gulf country experience. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. So, in case you all are interested and fit in the given and your series fit in the given criteria, please send your series to the given email IDs and our team will get back to you once your series is shortlisted by our technical team. For Qatar, they need data entry operators. Again, salary would be very attractive with various other perks. Okay, the candidate should be well versed with Excel and should be able to type 40 words per minute without any error. So, this is a requirement for Qatar. It's fairly large requirement. They need about 25 to 30 people. It's a free requirement. The walk-in interview is going on at our office in Mumbai. So, yes, friends, please, in case you all are well versed with Excel and can type 40 words per minute without any errors, of course, please apply. Yes, candidates with Indian experience can apply. This is for a shutdown project in Qatar. It's a it's for an upcoming GTL major turnaround project in Qatar. The client interview is going on currently. They need food inspectors. Again, free food and accommodation will be provided. Salary would be very good with overtime. And since this is an urgent requirement, the medical will happen immediately and the candidate would have to travel at a very, very short notice. So, yes, the client interview for this is going on. Food inspectors for a shutdown project in Qatar. For a UAE shutdown project, they need safety engineers, quality control officers, TIG arc welders, pipe fitters, electrical technicians. Friends, the candidate should have relevant experience in shutdown and in maintenance of nuclear, oil and gas and power sector projects. But yes, friends, nuclear, oil and gas, power sector, it's a free requirement for a shutdown project in the UAE. Free food and accommodation, attractive salary, yes. Friends, this is for Kuwait. It's for a supply chain and logistics company. They need on a long-term basis HVAC technicians. But yes, only candidates with experience of working in Gulf countries would be entertained here. The candidate should be proficient in English language, accommodation, yes, free food, accommodation, transportation, yes, attractive salary with overtime would also be provided here. Walk-in interview is going on at our offices in Chennai, in Kochi, in Baroda, and at our HO in Mumbai as well. Friends, for Abu Dhabi, for an oil and gas shutdown project, a free requirement. Client interview is scheduled for the end of July. Okay, the client is scheduled for by the end of July, and they need in large numbers job performers, quality inspectors, rigging supervisors, storekeepers, pipe fitters, pipe fabricators, mechanical fitters, riggers, electricians, heavy duty drivers, light drivers. Yes, again with a valid UAE license and assistant fitters. Yes, friends, all candidates should have relevant experience of working in the Gulf countries. Attractive salary, yes, would be provided with free food and accommodation. For an oil and gas shutdown project in Abu Dhabi, the client interview is scheduled for the end of July at Baroda. Friends, this is for Abu Dhabi, for ADNOC. It's a free requirement. They need a construction manager with offshore experience of at least 15 years. Again, friends, a niche requirement, and they need maintenance supervisors, again, with at least 10 years of experience of working in oil and gas offshore projects. So, for ADNOC, this is an offshore project requirement with candidates with offshore experience. Shortlisting is going on, friends. Yes, of course, candidates should have relevant Gulf country experience of working in oil and gas offshore projects. So, friends, yes, it's a niche requirement for ADNOC. The client interview is, is going to get scheduled very soon for this. Friends, this company in Oman requires candidates with only Gulf country experience, and the client interview will be held is scheduled for again for the last week of July at Baroda, and they need again in large numbers mechanical engineers, static maintenance engineers, piping mechanical supervisors, maintenance supervisors, permit holders, foremen is required in huge numbers, as you can see, junior supervisors, admin supervisors, maintenance technicians, pipe fitters, pipe fabricators, general fitters, and riggers. All candidates, yes, should have relevant Gulf country experience. So only Gulf returners would be entertained here for this shutdown project in Oman. The client interview for which is scheduled for in the last week of July. Again, salary, yes, will be very attractive with free food and accommodation. Friends, this is for Oman, and they need quantity surveyors or mechanical. Yes, with relevant candidates should have relevant Gulf country experience, preferably working with a tank project. So, friends, yes, uh, here we need candidates with experience of working with tank projects for Oman, quantity surveyors, mechanical. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with free food and accommodation, and this is for Oman. So please send your CVs to the given email IDs, and once your CVs are approved by our technical team, we will get back to you with the interview schedule. Again, for Oman, for an oil and gas project, a free requirement. This company needs quality control managers, quantity surveyors, permit holders, mechanical cam boss, scarf holders, pipe welders, diesel mechanics, denters and or painters, auto electricians, and or AC technicians. Okay. Again, candidates only with Gulf country experience would be entertained here. Shortlisting is going on. No, friends, candidates with only Indian experience would not be preferred. So candidates, if you all have only Indian experience, please do not apply, because this client in Oman requires candidates only with Gulf country experience. Again, for the same company in Oman, friends, again, the same set of requirements. Uh, Again, candidates only with Gulf country experience would be entertained, as I said in the earlier slide. And I do not know why this slide is getting repeated again, but anyway, there is an email ID given. Again, this slide is also a repetition, but still I have already uh, presented this requirement in the earlier slide, but still I will go through it again. For Oman, it's a free requirement, and the client interview. Okay, the client interview for this is scheduled for the last week of July in Kochi. Okay, so the client interview for this will be in Kochi as well for this particular requirement for Oman, piping mechanical engineer, static maintenance engineer, piping mechanical supervisors, maintenance supervisors, permit holders, foremen, junior supervisors, admin supervisors, maintenance technicians, pipe fitters, pipe fabricators, journal fitters, and riggers as well. Yes, friends, only candidates with Gulf country experience should apply. Candidates with only Indian experience, please do not apply, because this company would not entertain candidates with only Indian experience. The client interview, yes, is scheduled for in the last week of July in Kochi. Friends, the client interview for this is going to be conducted very soon for Saudi Arabia. It's a free requirement, a long-term requirement for a company which is based in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and they need. It's a niche requirement, but they need engineer relay testing and commissioning engineer with testing and commission experience. So relay engineer with testing and commissioning experience. Salary, yes, attractive with free food and accommodation. The shortlisting is going on. Again, friends, a niche requirement, but yes, if uh, I am sure there are candidates with this particular skill and experience. So please, you can send your CVs to the given email ID or given email IDs, and our team will get back to you after getting your CV shortlisted. Friends, this company in Oman requires relay protection testing engineers. The client interview is scheduled for the 15th of July, which is on Sunday at Chennai. They need relay protection testing engineers. Yes, the client interview is on Sunday, which is the 15th of July at Chennai. And the shortlisting is going on. So, friends, please send your CVs or visit our office in Chennai immediately if y'all think y'all can, if y'all think your CV fits the given job description. For this company in UAE, they require structural fabricators, but the candidate should be able to read and interpret blueprints and fabrication drawings to gauge material requirements and project timelines. So, friends, candidates who are proficient in reading drawings and blueprints should apply. Structural fabricators, only if you all can read blueprints, read and interpret blueprints and fabrication, need to apply for this. Salary, yes, attractive with overtime. The walk-in interview is going on at our office in Mumbai. Yes, since it's a project in UAE, the medical would be normal medical, which is not a Gamka medical, it will be normal medical. Salary, yes, very attractive and immediate departure. Friends, a long-term requirement for CNC operators in Saudi Arabia. This is for an international gas company. Salary attractive. The walk-in interview is going on at our head office in Mumbai and our branch offices as well. So please, friends, go ahead and send your CVs. A long-term requirement for sales engineers, friends, in Saudi Arabia. The initial interviews are going on. It's a long-term project for sales engineers with electrical experience. Yes, but friends, only candidates with relevant experience of at least 2 to 3 years of working in the Gulf countries would be entertained here. So, friends, only Indian experienced candidates no are not will not be entertained here. Plus, candidates with a decent knowledge of MS Office and emails, plus the candidate should be good in English communication with negotiation skills. So friends, yes, it's a requirement for sales engineers with electrical experience, and the requirement is of a candidate with a minimum of 2 to 3 years of Gulf country experience in sales and marketing. Salary, yes, since it's a sales related position, the salary would be very attractive with various other benefits. So yes, friends, please send your CVs, and uh, our team will get back to you. Oh, this is for UAE. The client interview, I mean, yes, the virtual client interview is in progress, and they need a Tekla checker. So again, a niche requirement, because the candidates have relevant knowledge of of a Tekla model. So this is a niche requirement. So knowledge of Tekla model and AutoCAD drafting would be something that the candidate would need to be proficient in for applying for this position of a Tekla checker. So the detailed job description is on your screen. It's for UAE. The client interview is going on currently virtually at our offices. Again, for UAE, medical, normal medical, and it's an immediate requirement. So the medical would be a normal medical, which means it will not be a Gamka medical. It will be a normal medical. Oh, friends, this is for Qatar, and it's a very interesting position of a bowling. Oh yeah, of a bowling alley mechanic or a technician. So sounds very interesting. Again, a long-term requirement of a bowling alley mechanic. Yes, a very uh, again a niche requirement, but a very interesting one. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with overtime also. So, friends, yes, I'm sure there are a lot of candidates with this experience, because yes, only Indian experienced candidates would also be entertained here. So, yes, if you all are experienced of working, you know, of working on bowling alleys, yes, you all can apply. You can visit our offices and get your CV shortlisted. This company requires for their short-term project in Saudi Arabia, they need mechanical supervisors or foremen. Mechanical supervisors, again, with candidates should have experience in refinery or petrochemical, rigging specialist, mechanical foreman, and riggers. Again, the candidate should, have at least 3 to 6 years of experience in petrochemical plant maintenance. It's a shutdown project, a maintenance project, a free requirement for Saudi Arabia. So, friends, yes, at least 3 to 6 years of experience of working in petrochemical and in a petrochemical plant maintenance project. Mechanical supervisors, foremen, rigging specialists, mechanical foremen, and riggers. Friends, this company in Saudi Arabia needs English speaking candidates for their petrochemical plant maintenance long term project. They need safety officers, they need fire watchers, millwright technicians, instrument technicians, industrial technicians, electrical, CS and SS welders, fabricators, copper tube fitters, and mechanical fitters. Well, friends, yes, uh, This is for Saudi Arabia. It's for a long term. It's a long term requirement for a petrochemical and for a petrochemical plant maintenance project. Candidates, yes, would require at least 3 to 6 years of experience in petrochemical plant maintenance projects. The walking interview is going on at our offices in Chennai, in Kochi, in Baroda, and at our H office in HO in Mumbai as well. Well, friends, I hope you all have taken a note of the the client interview dates and the venues very, very carefully. And I will now hand over the stage to our GM, Mr. Lalit Maurya, who would take you all through his set of requirements. So, over to you, Lalit sir. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, Anup. Good afternoon. Hello, dosto. Namaste. And good afternoon. This is Lalit here once again. Welcome all of you over this live session where we are going to discuss lots of upcoming interviews. What are the requirements we have? तो हम सब एक वन बाय वन करके सब चीज को देखेंगे. Let we go with the first slide. दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्यूकॉन कंपनी के लिए है, कतर के लिए, और ये लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है. फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट होगी इसकी. हमें बस ड्राइवर, बुल ट्रक ड्राइवर, बेसिकली ये ड्राइवर एंड ऑपरेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, जिसमें हमें हर प्रकार के ड्राइवर्स चाहिए विद कतर वैलिड और एक्सपायर्ड लाइसेंस, ऑपरेटर चाहिए विद कतर वैलिड और एक्सपायर्ड लाइसेंस, और उसके मेंटेनेंस टेक्नीशियन, ऑटोमोबाइल टेक्नीशियन, डीजल मैकेनिक, ऑटो इलेक्ट्रीशियन, फॉरमैन, सुपरवाइजर्स, ये सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. इसके इंटरव्यू कैंपेन बहुत ही जल्दी होने वाले हैं इंडिया में, एंड प्रोबेबली दैट इंटरव्यू विल बी इन पंजाब, बॉम्बे, कोची, एंड समवेयर इन धनबाद और कोलकाता एरिया. So if anyone interested, please forward their resume. We will shortlist your profile and we'll call you for final interview once it's finalized. Good thing is that it's a total free recruitment. Company will give you all the benefits and mobilization will be also immediately. दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं दूसरी रिक्वायरमेंट यूएई के लिए है. अल बवाडी डेमन करके कंपनी है सिंगापुर, दैट एक नेदरलैंड की बहुत बड़ी मेंटेनेंस शिपयार्ड मेंटेनेंस की कंपनी है, जिनका जॉइंट कोलैबोरेशन यूएई कंपनी से हुआ है, अल बवाडी. और एक बहुत बड़ी, बहुत ही नामचीन कंपनी है जो कम से कम मोर देन 30-40 इयर्स इस इंडस्ट्री में है, शिप बिल्डिंग के और मेंटेनेंस के. और इनके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 23 जुलाई को वाइजाग में रखे हुए हैं. हमें मैकेनिकल सुपरवाइजर, शिप रिपेयरिंग वाले, मरीन इंजन और गेयर बॉक्स मैकेनिक, शिप प्रोपेलर टेक्नीशियन और मैकेनिक, लेजर अलाइनमेंट टेक्नीशियन, हाइड्रोलिक मैकेनिक, जो भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको इंडिया एक्सपीरियंस भी रहेंगे तो भी हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, बट उनके जो एक्सपीरियंस शिपयार्ड मेंटेनेंस में ही होने चाहिए. ऑयल एंड गैस या अदर स्टील प्लांट या अदर रिफाइनरी के एक्सपीरियंस इसमें वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगे. बट फिर भी अगर कोई कैंडिडेट इंटरव्यू देना चाहता है वो आके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकता है. 23 जुलाई को वाइजाग में इंटरव्यू है. वॉकिंग कैंडिडेट्स अलाउ हैं. अगर कोई कैंडिडेट इंटरेस्टेड है, प्लीज नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करके आप जा सकते हैं, इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं. कंपनी बहुत फेमस है जैसा मैंने बताया, प्लस कंपनी आपको फ्री फूड, अकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट सारी बेनिफिट्स देंगी. सेम कंपनी के जो इंटरव्यूज हमने कोचिन में भी रखे हुए हैं, एंड वी हैव इंटरव्यू एट कोचिन ऑन 25 जुलाई. All the requirements will be same as I said earlier. If any candidate having Indian experience, please go and attend this interview, as there will be possibility client may take the Indian experience candidates. Working candidates are allowed. If any candidates not able to get shortlisting, they can go at the time of interview and attend this interview. For more details about the interview, any other thing, you may contact at the given number, or let forward your resume so that our coordinator will call you and assist you. Yeah, friends, you can see again we have the requirement for QCon Qatar, और एक शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है, कापको की प्रोजेक्ट है, जिसके इंटरव्यू 22 तारीख को बड़ौदा में है, अनुपटेक में रखे हुए हैं. ये पूरे मैकेनिकल्स के रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, एरिया कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, मैकेनिकल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर, सारे स्ट्रीम के जो सुपरवाइजर्स, टेक्नीशियन, फिटर्स, फैब्रिकेटर्स, ये सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। क्लाइंट फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू होगी 22 जुलाई को। टोटल फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट है, ट्रेड टेस्ट का भी कोई पैसा नहीं है। और सिलेक्शन होने के नेक्स्ट डे आपको ऑफर लेटर मिलेगा। और मैक्स इसकी जो मोबिलाइजेशन है मैक्सिमम बाय सेकेंड वीक ऑफ अगस्त में होगी। तो ये इमीडिएट मोबिलाइजेशन है। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट इंटरेस्टेड है प्लीज बड़ौदा में जाके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं 22 तारीख को। Friends, we have one more interview that's for UAE, one of the leading company, Ascent Steel Industries. बेसिकली इनके जो काम होते हैं स्ट्रक्चर स्टील के काम होते हैं और इसके जो इंटरव्यूज हैं 15 जुलाई को वैजाग में रखे हुए हैं। हमें इसमें स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर्स एंड एफसीडब्ल्यू वेल्डर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं और ये बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है। अब इसकी रिक्रूटमेंट भी टोटल फ्री होंगे, ट्रेड टेस्ट भी इसके फ्री है। कंपनी आपको फूड अलाउंस या तो फ्री फूड प्रोवाइड करेंगे। सैलरी भी इसके जो रेंज है 1500 से लेके 2000 दिरहम तक की रेंज है। और क्लाइंट फाइनल इंटरव्यू है 15 जुलाई को वैजाग में। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट इंटरेस्टेड है वो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करके ज़्यादा इंक्वायरी कर सकते हैं या तो उसका सीवी भेज दीजिए, हमारी टीम जिससे आपको कॉल बैक करेंगे। ये रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत अच्छी है। एशियन कंपनी का भी बहुत अच्छा सा रेपुटेशन है। हर साल हम इसमें 500-600 कैंडिडेट डिप्लॉय करते हैं। जीरो कंप्लेंट है इस कंपनी में। तो इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी को मिस नहीं करना है। आप 15 जुलाई को इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस है तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। दोस्त ये क्यूकॉन के वही काप्को के शटडाउन है जिसके इंटरव्यू 18 तारीख को चेन्नई में होगी। चेन्नई में हम इसके इंटरव्यू लीड्स में कर रहे हैं। रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम है। जैसा कि मैंने बताया इसका जो डिप्लॉयमेंट है फर्स्ट वीक या सेकंड वीक अगस्त में होगा। कंपनी आपको टोटल फ्री में लेके जा रही है। फ्री फूड, फ्री अकोमोडेशन, फ्री ट्रांसपोर्ट है। सैलरी अच्छी है। ऑफर लेटर नेक्स्ट डे आपको मिल जाएगा। But yes, we want all the candidates from oil and gas background, minimum 2 or 3 shutdowns should required. And you can go directly as a walking on 18th for the interview, or better you forward your resume or WhatsApp your resume by the given mobile numbers so that our coordinator will call you and give you interview call letters. But ultimately, this is one of the best requirement and it's a total free recruitment. Okay, friends, we have one more requirement. Again, is a free recruitment, and that we need all the candidates, Dubai-based or UAE-based candidate. We have that requirement for their civil segment. We want site engineer MEP, junior site engineer, procurement engineer, planning engineers, draftsmen, and safety officers. If any candidates are interested in this company, please forward your resume so that our coordinators from Dubai they will call you and they will arrange your local interview. It's a very good company, 100% free recruitment. Company offer you very good salary, plus food allowance and free accommodation and transport they will give you. दोस्तों ये 18 तारीख को इसके इंटरव्यू होंगे। मोबाइल क्रेन ऑपरेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है। सैफको में हम इसके इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं। ये सऊदी की बहुत फेमस कंपनी है, रेंटल कंपनी है। आपने नाम सुना होगा, अरेबियन मशीनरी करके है। इन्होंने पहले भी इंटरव्यूज करके गई है इंडिया में और इस बार वापस से हमारे साथ इन्होंने जॉइंट वेंचर में काम कर रहे हैं। और हमें मोबाइल क्रेन ऑपरेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। इंडियन लाइसेंस एक्सेप्टेबल है एंड इनफैक्ट वी वांट इंडियन लाइसेंस, इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस मोबाइल क्रेन ऑपरेटर। अगर किसी कोई भी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्ट है वो 18 तारीख को सैफको में आके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकता है। या तो फिर हमारे इंटरव्यू में आने से पहले उनको उनका सीवी हमें व्हाट्सएप करना है या ईमेल करना है जिससे हम आपको इंटरव्यू कॉल दे सके। अकॉर्डिंगली आपको इंटरव्यू अटेंड करना है। ये काफ़ी अच्छी कंपनी है। हमने पहले भी इस कंपनी में मैन पावर सप्लाई किए हैं, कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है। और ये हर साल आते हैं रिक्रूटमेंट करने के लिए और कैंडिडेट्स मोर देन 5 years 10 years कैन वर्क इन दैट कंपनी। इसमें बेसिक सैलरी के साथ साथ अच्छे अमाउंट में आपको ओवर टाइम्स और बोनस मिलते हैं जिसकी वजह से कैंडिडेट्स ये कंपनी छोड़ के नहीं जाते हैं। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट्स को गल्फ का एक्सपीरियंस लेना है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। आके ये इंटरव्यू अटेंड करें। ट्रेटर्स डे अगर आप सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे हम आपको प्रोसेस करेंगे। Friends, we have interview for Kuwait, one of the leading switchgear manufacturing company. Basically, that company name is Ahelia Switchgear. We are doing the recruitment for Ahelia. It's for Kuwait, and we have client interview on 24th July. We want all the engineers and managers for their different department. One for the production, one for the project, other for the other department. All candidates should have degree in electrical or degree in electrical and electronics. Full time degree we want. Diploma holders or private degree holder cannot apply for this job because they will not get the permit to work over there. And Indian experience also we are ready to accept it, 3 to 5 years of experience. And this will be a client face to face interview on 24th July in Chennai and 20th July in Bombay. It's very good opportunity, free recruitment, company offer you good salary with all the benefits. दोस्तों एक क्यूकॉन की सेम रिक्वायरमेंट्स है कापको की प्रोजेक्ट की, जिसके 22 तारीख को इंटरव्यू बड़ौदा में थे, 18 को हमारे चेन्नई में थी और 15 तारीख कोचिन में होगा इसका इंटरव्यू. इन कोचिन वी आर डूइंग दिस द इंटरव्यू एंड ट्रेड टेस्ट एट इंडो यूरोपियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग. ये आप ज़्यादा एड्रेस के लिए हम नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं, or you may send your CV. Our coordinator will guide you how to come at the interview venue. All the requirements same, total free recruitment with all the benefits given by the company. Yeah, friends, we have one more requirement, and the client interview will be on 16 July at our Anuptek, Bombay. And we have a required bulk number of SS welder, full TIG welders, fire watchers, QC inspectors. Plus, rest we want the candidates from the installation background, sheet metal fitter, fabricators, reflective mason, and all. And this will be a client interview, face-to-face interview. If any candidates are interested, please come and attend this interview. Yeah, friend, this is the same earlier requirement which I'm talking about. We have interview here in Bombay on 20th July, and this will be a client face-to-face interview. If any candidates are interested, having the 2 years, 3 years of experience with the full degree, electrical degree, regular course, they can come and attend this interview. Yeah, client is ready to take Indian experience candidate. Yeah, this is again QCon requirement, free recruitment, Comco project, that interview after 22 in Baroda, 24 we have interview in Anuptek, and all the requirements same. If any candidates are unable to attend the interview in Chennai, Cochin or Baroda, they can come to Bombay or attend this interview. As I said, it's all the free recruitment with all the benefits given by the company. Friends, we have one more requirement for UAE. It's one of the very good, very reputed company here in India as well as in UAE. And one of the department they need a mechanical foreman, mechanical technician, skilled, semi-skilled, mechanical fitter, and ramming operator. And basically, they need all this manpower for their solar project. They're establishing one solar plant, and for that purpose, they need all the manpower. Is a bulk requirement. And very soon, we are doing this interview in Bombay and Chennai plus other location, other part of the India. So we will update you about more in this by next week. But in meanwhile, if anyone interested in having the relevant experience, please mail us your CV who can attend the interview in Bombay or Chennai. Friends, we have one more requirement for Saudi, and that client interview will be on 14th July. ये सऊदी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, लॉन्ग टर्म की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 14 जुलाई को KRB इंटरनेशनल कोलकाता में होंगे, जिसमें हमें टेक वेल्डर्स, एसएस, फायर वॉचर्स और क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. और ये काफ़ी अच्छी कंपनी है, हमने पहले भी इसमें काम किया हुआ है. कंपनी आपको फ्री फूड, अकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट सारे प्रोवाइड करेंगे, अच्छी सैलरी है. 14 तारीख को क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है, अगर किसी को अटेंड करना है और डायरेक्टली आके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके. ओके राजू कुमार शाह सर, दिल्ली में कोई इंटरव्यू है लाइट ड्राइवर इंडियन लाइसेंस का? राजीव, हमारे पास एक हल्फी फुट की काम है, लाइट ड्राइवर, इंडियन लाइसेंस एक्सेप्टेबल है। आप दिल्ली ऑफिस में हमारे स्टाफ को जाके सीवी दे दीजिए, तो वो हमको सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे, जिससे हम आपके लिए आगे कुछ ट्राई कर सकते हैं। QC की we have a requirement and we have interview here in Bombay on 16th July. Please you come and attend this interview for Saudi. Mr. Nirmal, okay, do you have any opening for construction manager civil for bridge and metro rail work? No, Mr. Nirmal, we don't have that requirement, but please continuously you go and refer our advertisement and you go through our LinkedIn profile. If anything is there in future, immediately please you tag us. We will definitely try for you. कलीम रिगर के काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज हैं बॉम्बे में, आप आ सकते हैं आपका पासपोर्ट और बायोडा लेके, हम आपको इंटरव्यू में बुलाएंगे, मोहम्मद कलीम। फर्नीचर कारपेंटर्स की काफ़ी बड़ी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, हमें फर्नीचर का 50 फर्नीचर कारपेंटर चाहिए, राहुल शर्मा। अगर आप बॉम्बे में हैं तो आपका बायोडा लेके सिगल ऑफिस में आइए, ओमान के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है। सेफ्टी ऑफिसर्स, यस वी हैव रिक्वायरमेंट मिस्टर इमालुल, but it's for Indian nationality. I saw you last week also. You had just pop up here with your query. Thank you, Mr. Imamul. You continuously watching our this live session. But I'll regret as of now we are doing only the Indian manpower recruitment. ऑटो इलेक्ट्रिशियन, यस वी हैव रिक्वायरमेंट आकाश विश्वकर्मा, आप आ जाइए आपका बायोडा लेके हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में, क्यों कौन के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। Yes, we have requirement for timekeeper. Kindly forward your CV, Mr. Sarabjit. Ashok Kumar Devendra, you are the Ashok Kumar Devendra Sandblaster, 5 years Gulf experience. Mr. Ashok, we have many requirement for sandblasting offshore. Please visit our Bombay office along with your CVs and certificates. Yes, Mr. Grandio, we have a requirement for mechanical senior supervisor inspector, but as I said, we are recruiting only Indian manpower, not overseas. So thank you watching our this live session. फोकली ऑपरेटर शेख हुसैन भाई, आप आके गए हैं ऑफिस में, जैसा मैंने कहा रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो हैं लेकिन आपके सैलरी के बजट में नहीं है। बट आप देखते रहिए इसी तरह से हमारे लाइव सेशन को, कुछ ना कुछ होगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको नोटिफाई करेंगे। हेल्पर लेवल्स की काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज हैं बॉम्बे में, अमन खान आप आइए आपका बायोडा लेके हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में, हम आपको बताएंगे कौन सा इंटरव्यू आपको अटेंड करना है। यस, रिगर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, आप ऑफिस में आ जाइए हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में आपका बायोडा लेके, हमारे पास 2-3 शट डाउन है, उसके लिए हम आपको ट्राई करेंगे। Rajesh, your top management position supply chain. No, Mr. Rajesh, as of now, we don't have anything for the supply chain, but please see you refer our advertisement. Maybe in future we may expect such certain categories, then you can try. महिंद्रा स्टील फिक्सर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, आप आपका बायोडा लेके हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में विजिट करिए, जिससे हम आपके लिए कुछ कर सकें। Okay, Anup, over to you. Okay, friends, I'll see you next week with the more upcoming interviews, more latest requirement and other thing. Till then, goodbye. Take care, all of you.
Thank you, Lalit sir. Well, friends, that was our GM, Mr. Lalit Moria, with his set of requirements. And friends, as I said, that we are running a little short of time today, and we have to quickly conclude this session. So, friends, our head office is located in Mumbai at Andheri, and the email ID and the contact numbers of our head office is mentioned on your screen. In case you all need to contact our head office or send your CVs, the email ID is mentioned on your screen. Uh, Friends, we have our branch offices in Kochi and Chennai and in South India. In Kochi, uh, we have an office in Ernakulam, and the email ID and contact numbers of our Kochi branch are mentioned. Friends, as I said in my previous session, that we have currently opened a new office, inaugurated a new office in Chennai with state-of-the-art facilities. And please visit our office there. Again, all our requirements are there in our at all our branch offices as well. So Baroda and in Delhi too, we have our branch offices. Again, the email IDs, contact numbers, and the addresses are mentioned on your screen. In Vizag and in Kolkata as well. Yes, and in Vizag and in Kolkata as well, we have our branch offices where you can visit to get yourself apprised with all the necessary requirements. Friends, for any further details, you can contact or send a WhatsApp to the given contact number. Friends, this is the QR code which will take you to our website where you can post your CVs. This is our website address, and you can go through the same. Friends, we are present. We are on all the social media pages, on almost all the social media pages. We are on Facebook, we are on LinkedIn, Instagram, X, and on YouTube as well. So please uh, follow us and like us on all our social media pages. All our requirements are updated on all our social media pages. So, friends, thank you for joining us today and taking out time uh, for making this session of ours very successful. So, thank you so much. I will see you all next. Okay, yes, I will see you all on Monday with a regional live session. So, thank you so much and have a nice weekend ahead.